The secret to great projects is with high-quality cuts, and you can make them more easily than you ever thought possible using your circular saw plus the Craig Rip Cut. The Craig Rip Cut Circular Saw Edge Guide takes the intimidation out of cutting and allows you to make cuts without measuring, without marking, and without having to keep the saw from wandering off of a cut line. The Rip Cut turns your ordinary circular saw into a precision edge-guided cutting tool that makes straight, accurate, repeatable cuts in plywood, MDF, and other large sheets easy and accurate. And because projects often call for multiple pieces to be cut the exact same size, with the Rip Cut, you can lock in a size and can be confident that with cut after cut, the pieces will be exactly the same size. Also, you can make these cuts anywhere you need to by taking your saw to the material instead of having to bring your material to the saw. The Rip Cut makes this possible with a universal sled that holds your saw, an aluminum guide rail with built-in measuring scale, and an oversized edge guide that follows the edge of the plywood sheet to provide complete control as you cut. The universal sled can also be used on the Craig AccuCut. The Rip Cut works with just about any circular saw, whether it has a blade mounted on the left or the right side. Plus, the edge guide is reversible, so the Rip Cut works equally well right-handed and left-handed. Mounting your saw on the Rip Cut is quick and easy, and your saw can be removed for other uses, then reinstalled just as quickly. Using the Rip Cut is easy too. Just lock the saw sled at your desired cut, from 1 inch up to 24 inches wide, then simply hold the edge guide against your sheet. Turn the saw on and go. A large handle on the edge guide that helps you maintain solid contact with the edge of your sheet. With the Rip Cut Circular Saw Edge Guide, it's just that easy. There's no measuring and no marking. Just straight, accurate, repeatable cuts every time.
From the creators of Tie Boss, the world's easiest tie down, comes Jaw Boss. Jaw Boss is an innovative tool that makes cutting firewood safer, faster, and easier on both the operator and his equipment. Easy to use, you just slide Jaw Boss into your receiver hitch and you're ready to go. Once Jaw Boss is in place, simply insert your firewood log and start cutting. Jaw Boss holds the log securely and at a height that makes cutting safe and easy right down to the last piece. No more dulling your chain on dirt and rocks when cutting on the ground. No more risking injury to your toes cutting that last piece that twists and rolls under your foot. Jaw Boss can handle logs of less than 2 inches in diameter, which is ideal for cutting kindling or smaller wood for a campfire. Jaw Boss can also handle larger wood up to 9 inches in diameter. From short pieces up to logs 30 feet or longer, Jaw Boss holds them all securely and at the perfect height, making your firewood cutting much safer, much quicker, and much easier on the equipment and the operator. Jaw Boss is also useful as a construction tool. It holds dimension lumber securely for measuring and cutting. It's like having a sawhorse with someone holding the other end of the board. A one-of-a-kind product, Jaw Boss would be a welcome addition to anyone's tool chest. Jaw Boss saves time and effort for the operator. It saves wear and tear on the equipment, and it makes many jobs easier and safer.
In the shop and around the house, nothing beats Craig Joinery for making strong, accurate wood joints quickly and easily. And whether you are taking pocket screws on the road or needing to make a quick repair, the Craig Jig Jr.'s simple, compact design lets you work where you need it the most. With a go-anywhere attitude, the heart of this system is its compact design, featuring 2 hardened steel core drill guides, which are guaranteed to provide a lifetime of smooth, accurate drilling. The independent Easy Press positioning sliders allow the jig to quickly be adjusted in 9 separate settings to ensure perfect screw placement and stock from 1/2 inch to 1 1/2 inch thick. When the guides and depth collar are set to match the thickness of your workpiece, you can be sure that the self-tapping screws will be exiting in the center, which is critical to achieving the strongest joint possible every time. The Craig Jig Jr. is adaptable to almost any work environment. In most cases, it can be secured with any standard bar clamp or C-clamp. For higher productivity, snap any Craig face clamp into the included clamp pad adapter. This is perfect for drilling panels and high-speed production work. Also, for tight repair applications when a clamp cannot be used, simply reverse the positioning sliders and screw the jig into place. This perfect repair jig is a great addition to any Craig tool collection and includes everything you need to get started, including a 3/8 step drill bit, driver bit, clamp pad adapter, and a selection of screws and plugs, all inside a durable carrying case.
2 new tools engineered to work all day with the speed and power to unplug the cord. Introducing the 18-volt cordless impact driver, available as a kit or as a bare tool. Power, comfort, convenience, performance. The Makita-built 4-pole motor delivers 1,420 inch-pounds of max torque with a variable speed. Compact and ergonomic, it's got a redesigned grip that just fits. And a built-in LED light. Its one-touch, keyless, quarter-length chuck makes it easy. The 18-volt cordless impact driver. Introducing an 18-volt brushless drywall screwdriver that can keep up with the high productivity standards of drywall contractors. The 18-volt LXT drywall screwdriver is powered by an efficient and powerful brushless motor and features Makita's exclusive push drive technology. With push drive, just set the trigger in lock-on mode and the motor will start only when the fastener is engaged. This means lower noise on the job site since the motor only runs when you need it to run. It also saves battery power for longer run time. In internal testing, this cordless screwdriver drove enough fasteners to hang up to 40 sheets of drywall on a single charge. The 4.0 amp-hour battery provides 35% more runtime per charge than the 3.0 amp-hour battery. And it charges in only 40 minutes, so it spends more time working and less time sitting on the charger. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with Star Protection computer controls technology that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating.
These are the Bosch DDH-181X and HDH-181X 18-volt half-inch drill driver and hammer drill driver. They're part of the Brute Tough range, the toughest, most durable 18-volt cordless drill drivers Bosch offers. In fact, they have 752 inch-pounds of torque and 1,850 RPM. And the hammer drill has 27,000 beats per minute, which makes these drills perfect for drilling in light concrete or masonry. Now, these tools offer a brand new feature called kickback control. Kickback control is based on a detection sensor built into the tool, which will shut down the tool in the event of a bind-up situation. It actually helps reduce the risk of a torque reaction. In the event the tool gets bound up and wants to turn and rotate around itself, the tool shuts itself off. Both tools have DuraShield body housing and unibody construction, which means they're some of the most durable and robust cordless drill drivers on the market. A half-inch all-metal chuck has built-in options for clutch settings, as well as a selection for the hammer drill mode. 2 speed settings on the hammer drill driver let you choose from low speed or high speed. In addition, there's a built-in LED light for working in low light conditions, and both feature a variable speed trigger. The tools both work with the complete line of Bosch 18-volt batteries. This flexible power system allows you to choose either a slim pack battery for working overhead or a fat pack option for extended runtime. These are the Bosch DDH-181X and HDH-181X, Brute Tough drill driver and hammer drill driver with kickback control.